You got to always keep your eyes on where his head and neck is. Don't grab him by it. Just redirect him. Put your fingers under it and rotate him with your fingers. My granddaughter holding Chewy for the first time since he was little. You're going to have to get him.
I tried. He's being a butthead at the moment.
Yeah.
He must be taking notes from Pistafi.
Don't manhandle him. If you, yeah, you are. If you keep tapping them, you're manhandling them. There, guide his head back. There you go. Good girl. You got it. Pretty heavy, huh? You don't have the most of him on you. See, gentle as can be. I've got 8 grandchildren. My snakes have no issues with any of them.
They don't have issues with their snakes either.
No, they don't. He's dying to get up there.
Little, he was kind of scared.
He loves to try and climb that wall behind you there, so that's what he's going to keep trying to do, probably. He's chilly.
He is pretty cool.
Got to turn his light on for him. Where you going, Chewy? Who's got you? He turned and tried to come straight toward me when I put him on her.
Hey, Choo-Choo.
Where's my mom? Where's my mom? I'm over here. Here. I'm right here. That Carla?
Hey,
That Carla?
What's up?
Say, where's my mother?
No.
He's looking for me.
Come on. Back this way.
So I'm looking for my mama. See, snakes are so
Where are you going?
calm and placid when they're social animals that children can handle them freely. You know, my friend Ed on YouTube has his daughter, is only 6 years old, and she handles their big reticulated pythons. And people don't understand, these animals were raised to be social animals. They trust people. They have no animosity toward people.
He's like, I see Mom.
And that's why I'm making this video, to show everybody. It's not just because I handle them and I raised them. They're like this with everyone. They're friendly. They're social. You never take them out and never work with them. You can't trust them to be like this.
Where's it going?
So where's my mama? I'm hunting my mama. I'm over here.
He's like, there you are.
I'm over here. I found her. Come on. Guide his head up to my knees. He'll come up. There's Mama. He smells those rats thawing over there.
He sees the other snake now.
You're not eating today. You just ate 2 colossal rats. You glutton. Let your mama. If he wants to come to Carla, let him go.
I don't think he knows where he wants to go.
I have a rule about restraining my snakes and forcing them to do something they don't want to do. Because that's being aggressive.
You're not going on the floor, pal.
No floor for you, buddy.
No floor. No floor.
The only reason I don't let them on the floor is because I never know what people are tracking in on their shoes.
Not only that, but he could get under something pretty quick if he wanted to.
Oh, he'd be easy to find in here.
He would, yeah, but the little guys would.
Like Ben said, he'd move everything in the house on his way through, so would Grumpy. He'd leave a trail behind him, things flipped over and lifted up off the floor.
You're not going down on the floor. I don't care how much you try. It's not happening.
Aim him this way, he'll quit.
That's what I was trying to do.
Yeah.
Come here. Whoop.
Chewy, why
What?
are you being difficult?
Oh.
You are not getting on the floor.
He booped my necklace.
You're not going on the floor. Hey,
Here, let's move this
Come on.
guy up here out of your
come
way.
on.
Yes, Mr. Spider.
I'm over here.
Let's see.
He's like, I know she's here. I just can't find her. I'm right here. Hey,
No.
there. Now stop. Relax. He's trying to get in.
He's trying to get in
Is
the
he
shot.
bigger than Bucky?
Yeah,
No.
yeah, actually, he
I
is.
was gonna
He's
say,
longer.
he
He's
looks-
longer,
I was
not
gonna
bigger.
say he looks a little longer.
Nah, he doesn't have the
Oh,
body.
that's cool.
He doesn't have the body
What?
mass.
The sunlight from the window was making his scales all rainbow.
Yeah, purple and red and orange and stuff. Yeah.
He's about to have all of his weight on.
So I want to know what all this stuff is over here. I gotta go find something
It's
to get
alright,
into.
I've picked up his whole weight before.
Yeah. Hey, rat. So I'm trying to get into something. No, you're not. You
Where
just
you
think you're
going?
getting up there. That's how long Chewy is.
And he's still wrapped around behind her too, I think.
Yep. No, no, no,
Hey,
no.
listen, you.
Now stop.
Where do you think you're going?
Sorry, had to wrangle a snake.
No.
You're not getting on the wall, and you're not knocking all the stuff off my shelves.
He thinks he is.
He's still trying. Look at him. What are you doing? You can't go up there.
Maybe he's trying to get to the window.
No.
I wish we could take him.
That's how long Chewy is. And he's dying to get into mischief today.
Where do you think you're going? Where do you think
But
you're
see,
going?
these aren't mean animals. It depends on how you raise them.
He's
Oh.
not mean at all. He never
No.
has been.
You
Except for when he was a
can't
newborn.
provoke him into striking at you. No way. He's such a gentleman. He sits back and waits for me to put his feeder down in his cage before he'll go after it. Hi, sexy. Hey, are you close enough? Oh my God. Hey, hey. He's easy to keep up with if he got out. No, and table. No vanilla creamer. He loves my vanilla creamer. No. No vanilla creamer for Chewy. You bad snake. You can't have my coffee. He's a vanilla creamer
Robbie's
addict.
tail is like a big lump.
He can hold his entire body weight with the end of that tail.
Yeah, they have what they call it.
It's called pre.
tail.
Yep. Listen, you. Go see Carla or somebody.
Come here, Peanut Butter.
I have you out all the
He's
time.
like, I'm gonna give you a
Don't
kiss.
you huff at me.
Just warm in here for him. Oh my
I
gosh.
can see
Chewy.
I see you. He's going for the snake things.
you. Nope.
Yeah, they can hold their entire body weight with that little tail back there. The one day I brought him outdoors, Ava, and I had him around my shoulders when I came in, and my fan was on high sitting on the computer desk, and the air hit him in the face, and he freaked out when he did. He locked on to the edge of my door casing with the end of his tail, and I kept walking, and he yanked my feet right out from under me, and I went down on the floor.
Tail's gonna drop there, pal.
Chewy, you're so mischievous. You're doing Stevie Wonder today? Back and forth and back and forth. He says, I smell snake food over there on that computer desk.
Oh, jeez, he's like really getting far now.
Where do you think you're going? Listen, you.
Carla's having to wrangle you today instead of me.
Hey,
He's a workout. You don't need a gym with him in the house.
where do you think you're going?
If something ever did happen to you, I
He's
would
got his tail
definitely
wrapped
take
around my
Chewy.
leg.
I would
See his
definitely
nose
take
where he
Chewy.
rubbed it, trying to get me to take him out? Just a little
Spoiled
spot on the
brat.
tip of his nose. Yeah.
Spoiled brat.
So I wanted my mama to take me out, and she was busy and wouldn't do it.
He's pretty.
He was only 4 inches long when I got him.
And he used to strike at everything.
He used to bite everybody.
Here, I want to accidentally sit on your tail. And I'd feel bad.
So he was like Jasmine.
He was worse than Jasmine,
Yeah.
believe it or not.
Jeez.
Except he didn't pee on you like Jasmine did.
She doesn't do that anymore.
That's why I said did.
Yeah. She's quit doing that. I had her out yesterday cleaning her cage out. I hate the word cage. It sounds so impersonal. I like
It's not
enclosure.
technically a cage, it's a tank or an enclosure.
I like enclosure better. It's more personal than a cage.
You're gonna give me rug burn on my shoulder here, kid.
This way.
I can feel my skin being pulled.
Oh yeah, he's strong as a bull.
I'm coming
Your
back
tail's
way.
just gonna flop down. That's what's.
That's what I'm trying to prevent, because I don't want it to knock anything down. I gotcha.
He's going back to Ava now. Yep.
Mhm.
He's making his rounds.
He gave up. He's like, that woman is not letting me get into anything over
He's
there.
huffing.
Yeah.
Just warm in the house.
It's also a lot of energy moving that much
For a
body
big
around.
snake, yeah, they use a lot of energy.
You're not going behind me.
He's like, you want a bet?
He's like, you
Oh, I
think?
have vanilla creamer in my coffee behind Ava, too.
Uh-huh. He zones right in on vanilla creamer, let me tell you.